You know, in our hands, we're holding just a simple piece of paper. But what if it was more than that? What if it was a way to just disconnect? Today, we're going to explore how the simple act of folding paper can become this powerful kind of meditation, creating a little pocket of stillness in our very, very loud world.
No, really, think about it for a second. With our phones buzzing and a million tabs open, our focus is constantly fractured. It's almost a luxury these days to do just one thing, from start to finish without any interruptions.
We hear this kind of thing all the time, right? Don't blink. It perfectly captures that pressure we all feel, that need to keep up, to move at the speed of light. But what if we decided to do the exact opposite?
So yeah, that's the plan for the next few minutes. We're going to take a breath, push all that noise to the side, and give our full attention to one single tangible task. We're going to fold some paper.
So here we go. We're going to call this paper meditation. We're using the ancient art of origami, not just to make something cool, but to actually give our minds a dedicated space to just rest and focus.
And you know, the beauty of this whole thing is its simplicity. All you need is one single square of paper, that's it. No screens, no alerts, no chargers. It's just you, your hands, and this one sheet, totally ready to be transformed.
So here's the key idea. We're using the physical repetitive motion of folding to anchor our attention. Every single crease, every turn of the paper, it all becomes a focal point. And that allows all that chatter in our heads to just gently fade away.
All right, let's get into the practice itself. We're going to fold a simple flapping dragon. And hey, remember, the goal here isn't perfection, it's presence. Just let go of how it's supposed to look and focus on the journey. Go on, grab your paper, and let's start this together.
Okay, first things first. Take your square and fold it diagonally, corner to corner so you have a big triangle. Use your thumbnail to press that crease down so it's nice and sharp. Now fold that triangle in half again to make a smaller one. For this next part, take just the top layer, open it up, and then gently press it down from the top until it flattens into a diamond. This is called a squash fold. Now flip your paper over and do that exact same squash fold on the other side. Just feel the rhythm of it, you know?
Let's just pause here for a second. You started with a totally flat, two-dimensional square. And now you have something with structure, with dimension. It's this quiet little act of creation, and it's happening right there in your hands.
All right, let's keep going. With the open end of your diamond pointing down, take the two outer edges and fold them into the center line. It should look kind of like a kite now. Next, fold that little bottom tip all the way up to the top. Now for the fun part. Fold the whole thing in half lengthwise. Make two angled folds, one up, that'll be the neck, and one back, that's the tail. And finally, just make one last tiny fold at the tip of the neck to create the head.
We're so close. The main structure is all done. Now, with just a couple more folds, we're going to give our little creation a spark of life.
Just take a breath, look at the form you've made. In just a moment, we're going to transform this from a static shape into something with movement. All that's left is to give our dragon its wings. Okay, for the magic touch, fold those two top flaps down to create the wings. Then, hold the dragon by the base of its neck and gently pull its tail. And just watch. The wings start to flap. With that one simple motion, your dragon comes to life. It's not just a static object anymore, it's dynamic.
So there you have it, a paper dragon. But hang on, let's think about this for a second. What did you really make just now?
You made a moment of calm in a busy day. You took a real break from all the digital noise and actually used your hands, your senses. You brought order to a blank page. And now you've got this little dragon. But it's more than just folded paper, isn't it? It's a physical reminder of your focus, what it feels like to be completely present.
And honestly, that's the whole point. The real magic wasn't just about ending up with a cool flapping dragon. It was in the mindful, step-by-step process of making it. The focus, the quiet, the satisfaction. That was the real creation.
So I'll just leave you with this question to chew on. Whether it's making your morning coffee, or washing the dishes, or just taking a walk. Where else in your life can you slow things down and find that same kind of magic in a simple, everyday process?